Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to find freelancers on Onlinejobs.ph. In order to do that, you need to head over and then just search in here on the looking for talent option. So head over and search for which one you want. And then once you have clicked on the search icon, you should be able to see in here the name of the freelancer, their title, what they're looking for, education, the last active, as well as their profile description and also their top skills. So you can see them wherein you can click on view profile right here and you can also pin them. So for example, let's try to view the profile of this. Click on this view profile. And then once you have clicked on that, you can see this about right here, their age, their gender, everything right here. And you can also do a background check for them if you want to as well. So you can see in here that you can hide them with security and confidence and also their background check option from this case. So that's how you find them. You can head over and mark them as hired or contact them. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I'll try my best to answer. Thanks.